Dental implants can be used on a wide range of ages of patients. We have many elderly patients come in to get those dentures stabilized because dentures usually go with an older population. But we have so many younger patients as well that need a single tooth replaced, that need multiple teeth replaced. Really, dental implants are so versatile. We can use them with such a large range of patients depending on what they need. They're very safe, and when we do assess what you need, we'll see if those dental implants are the best option for you. So if you are interested, or if you think you're too old or too young, give us a call at our office, come in for our free consultation, and we'll give you the best treatment plan and see if those implants are the best option for you.